The next exercise is Completez avec, a, en, or. So I explain to you where we fill each of these words. So I'll remind you once again. A. This word comes before the name of a city. En comes before the name of a country, that is feminine. Au comes before the name of a country, that is in the masculine form. And aux comes before the name of a country, that is in the plural form. So simple rules you have to remember. We just have to see whether the word is a city or a country, whether it is in the masculine or feminine form. So the first sentence, Tu habites où? Where do you live? Dash, Portugal. Now the word here is Portugal. See if it is the name of a country and it is in the masculine form. So we write AU or Portugal. The next word is España. It is the name of a country, but it is in the feminine form. So EN on España. And look at this word. It is Isle Maurice, island of Maurice. So it is the name of a particular place. So and since it is an island, it is at the island of Maurice. So L apostrophe we have to fill in there. So this alone is a little bit different. If it is Maurice, we would say a Maurice, but it is in the island of Maurice. So a l'île Maurice. So moving on to the next sentence. Où est la tour Eiffel? Where is the Eiffel Tower? So dash Paris. Now Paris is the name of a city. So when we have the name of a city, which of these four words will we include here? It is a Paris dash France. Now France is the name of a country and it is feminine. So we write EN. A Paris en France. The next sentence. Où est le musée du Prado? Where is the Museum of Prado? Dash España. As we already know, España is the name of a country and it is in the feminine form. So we write EN on España dash Madrid. Now Madrid is the name of a city. So which one would we include? It is A. So once again we'll read all these sentences. Tu habites où? Au Portugal, en Espagne, à l'île Maurice. Où est la tour Eiffel? À Paris en France. À Paris en France. Où est le musée du Prado? En Espagne, à Madrid. En Espagne, à Madrid. So before the name of a city, it is A. Before the name of a country that is feminine, it is en. Before the name of a country that is masculine, it is AU. And before the name of the country that is in its plural form, we write AUX. The next exercise we are going to do is Compléter avec le, la, and les. So these are the definite articles. We already know that. And we know the rules for filling le, la and les. LE comes before a noun that is masculine. LA comes before a noun that is feminine. LES comes before a noun that is plural. L apostrophe, that comes before any noun that is either masculine or feminine but has a vowel, that is a vowel or a H mute in front. So we will see more about that as we learn in this exercise. So the first sentence, the first phrase, dash will the Quebec. Dash will the Quebec. Now what we have to take here is only the noun that is after the blank. So the noun here is will. Will means city. Now is this in the masculine or feminine form? It is in the feminine form. So we write la. La ville de Québec. So is that clear? The next sentence. Dash Chateau Frontenac. Chateau is the noun that is after the blank. Is it masculine or feminine? It is masculine. So we write le. Le Chateau Frontenac. Le Chateau Frontenac. Now the next sentence. Dash rue de la ville. Now the word we need to consider is rue. As we can see, it is in the plural form. So when a noun is in the plural form, what is the article we would use? It is les. Les rues de la ville. So in these three sentences, we have seen how to use le, la and les. So la comes before a noun that is in the masculine form. La comes before a noun that is in the feminine form. Les, lay, comes before a noun that is in the plural form. So shall we try to do the next three sentences? Dash hotel rein. Now the word we need to consider is hotel, but as you can see, there is a H mute here. So we use L apostrophe. So regardless of whether this is masculine or feminine, we use L apostrophe because of the H in the beginning of this word. The next sentence, dash restaurant de quartier. Dash restaurant de quartier. The word we consider here is restaurant and it is in the plural form, so les. And finally, the last sentence, dash place du musée. So the word here is place. It is in the feminine form, so we write la. La place du musée. So this is how we use the definite article le, la, L apostrophe and le. So now we know how to use the definite article and the indefinite article. So we will now learn how to use both these in the same sentence. So we should know where to use a definite article and where to use an indefinite article. To learn that, we are going to do some more exercises.